Welcome home to your private hilltop estate, 13849 Ramah Oaks Lane. What's amazing to me is once you're up here and you're overlooking the grounds, it's absolutely majestic. It's quiet, it's serene, you're surrounded by nature. When I think of a quintessential farmhouse that's totally modernized, this is it. This home is private, wooded, and serene on almost 3 acres, complete with 4 bedrooms, tons of extra rooms that could be multiple extra bedrooms, 5.5 baths, oversized 2-car garage, 5,300 square feet. Wow, modern farmhouse at its best. This home greets you with a ton of warmth. And what I love is as you walk in, you see a sophisticated multi-purpose room with coffered ceilings, decorative moldings, and right next to the kitchen. Love this art niche, private office, craft space, definitely tucked away is perfect. Full brick fireplace with a gas insert. This is such a thoughtful kitchen. This is the most expensive natural stone that you can find, quartzite. What I love about this house is 5-inch real solid pine floors throughout the entire house. And in the kitchen, soft close, custom cabinetry, 5-burner gas range. In the eating kitchen, there's tons of light and it's overlooking an absolutely breathtaking scenery. You're overlooking the grounds, overlooking the pool, nature. This is absolute therapy. Owner suites on the main floor with triple crown molding and a private bath. Wow, this is an amazing bathroom. Honed marble is less slippery. 2 shower heads, 1 adjustable, with a frameless shower. And we're upstairs where you've got several bedrooms with their own private bath. In here, we're in the exercise room, and it's awesome because it's bright and it's sunny, and you've got private deck access. This is my happy place in the house. It's the blue room, the bonus room, and check out the hidden space back over here. How cool is that? I love it down here in the basement. It's a perfect place to entertain. This is a great basement living room, and it's got tons of windows, and it's a full walkout basement, so you have access to the grounds right outside. Tucked away is a private office, craft area, and you've got built-ins right here to store all the items. We have the laundry room downstairs with custom cabinetry. If you're looking for triathlete training, you found it. Full gym downstairs. There's a whole house filtration system for the water, including a softener system. Check out this resort level pool. This pool is amazing. 46,000 gallons, saltwater, concrete, gunite with a spillover hot tub, dual umbrellas, and a sun shelf. I love this outdoor kitchen. It's vaulted, it's spacious, granite countertops, tons of serving space, water, electricity, natural gas, all right down here at the pool. And it has a private bathroom on the backside. The grounds are beautifully manicured, professionally maintained, fully fenced down here by the pool with a full locking mechanism. And what's awesome is the travertine and the coping is all the way surrounding this beautiful pool. Come and relax at your outdoor fireplace, wood burning, and very detailed. The spillover hot tub has a smooth PebbleTech finish and fits up to 6 people. There's an outdoor pool house complete with wood shingles and covers all of the pool equipment and extra storage. On the grounds is a hobby farm with water and electricity. Your home, 13849 Ramah Oaks Lane, Huntersville, North Carolina. Call me for a VIP showing.